lovely friends, welcome back again to my new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your tomato sauce. This is quite easy to make and you only need fresh tomato as your base. So let's get into this. So guys, I have my very fresh and ripe tomatoes here which we are going to use. So I've brought my tomatoes into a bowl. The next thing I'm going to do is to add some hot water into the tomatoes. We are going to blanch the tomatoes, so I'm going to leave this to rest in the hot water. So guys, I have rested my tomatoes for 10 minutes and they have become shrunken. And when doing this, please remember to cover your tomatoes so that the heat will be retained. Next, I'm going to start removing the skin from the tomatoes. So because we have blanched the tomatoes, it's really easy to peel off the skin just like this. Now I'm done taking out the skin. The next thing I'm going to do is to cut the tomatoes into smaller pieces. So I'm just going to cut it inside this tray. I'll drain the water out later. To make this tomato sauce, I'm going to place the pan on heat. Once it's heated, I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now the oil is heated, so I'm going to add in my garlic and the chopped onions. I'm just going to stir fry this until the onions and the garlic are translucent. Now I'm going to go in with my chopped tomatoes. So I've stir fried the onions for a minute, so I'm bringing in the tomatoes. I'm just going to place the lid over it and allow it to cook until the tomatoes are completely soft. Just make sure you stir this in between as it cooks. Guys, I've been cooking this tomato sauce for the past 15 minutes. At this point, the tomatoes have crumbled. I'm going to add in few seasonings. I'm going in with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar to reduce the sour taste of the tomatoes. So I'm just stirring in everything, and I'm still going to be adding in black pepper flakes, just a pinch. And half a teaspoon of dried oregano. This is optional. And I'm going to stir it and allow it to combine. So let's place the lid over it and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. I'm going to test for seasoning. If there's any need for seasoning, I'm just going to adjust. Okay, since I'm happy with the taste of this tomato sauce, I'm just going to turn off my heat. After leaving the sauce to rest for a while, I'm going to bring this into the blender. I'm just going to blend this just one time to reduce the chunky tomatoes. This is how the tomato sauce is supposed to be, with few pieces of tomato, so I'm not blending this into a smooth paste. I'm going to reheat my tomato sauce again because I'm going to be storing this in the freezer, so it's best I heat it up. So I'm going to place the lid over it and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. So guys, here is our thick tomato sauce. It's really tasty. I love the smell and the taste of the tomato sauce. I'm going to be turning off heat. Once the tomato sauce has cooled down, I'm going to bring this into my favorite bottle. So I'm going to store this and leave it in the fridge. You can use this as a base for your pasta. Guys, this was how to make tomato sauce at home. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye for now.